Hi, what's your name?
Alyssa. Jared.
What are you guys doing today?
Lemonade to help the kids in Oklahoma because they have nothing where they live.
Oh, Jared, can you tell me what happened in Oklahoma?
All this stuff got torn up by a tornado.
Oh my goodness, it did? Their houses?
Yeah,
And what else? Anything else?
everything.
Everything. Oh my goodness. How did that make you feel?
Sad. Very sad.
Yeah? So, what did you guys do? You decided to come out here?
Yes, and get money to help them.
Oh my goodness, that's very nice of you guys. What are you going to help them with? What do you think they'll get with the money?
To buy shelter, to buy clothing, to buy toys, to buy shoes, to buy socks, everything that they need.
Oh wow, you guys are amazing. Do you know that? How long have you been out here?
2 hours. 3
Two,
hours.
2 hours, 3 hours. Wow. That's very impressive. So did you guys get a lot of money to help?
Yes.
Yeah? Well, that's good. So would you like to say anything if the kids get to see your video? Would you like to say anything to them?
I just want to say to them that I hope they're happy once the money gets to them.
Oh, okay. Oh, who's going to get the lemonade?
Customer.
We have a customer.
Got a cup, that's fine.
Oh, we got a cup already.
Yeah, just give me about a half a cup here.
All right.
Right.
You say thank you?
Thank you.
Wow. You're doing a great job out here.
Thank you very much.
All right, you have a good day. You can there. All right, guys. Thank you for all your hard work.